Hello guys, welcome to this channel and you are watching Gardening and Farming English version. Guys, winter season is now going on and winter season is the season of flowers. Varieties of flowers bloom in this season. So guys, this is my first winter flower plant shopping. So let me show you what I have brought. Okay. Guys, there is also a Hindi version of this channel, and if you want to watch this, then please go to the description box and click on the link I have given below. So as you can see guys, these plants are so tiny and you will not be able to recognize what flower plant is which one, even if I will tell you the names which plant I have bought from the nursery and the cost. And another thing is that guys, 6 plants of hibiscus, 6 plants of marigold and 6 plants of chrysanthemum. These 18 plants are prominent, big size, and you can also able to recognize them. Here everything is before you. I am showing you. Just look at these plants. Chrysanthemum cost me 20 rupees per piece. Said that nursery person told me that these are of Bangalore and Pune variety. I don't know what is Bangalore Pune, but still then he told me that big size flower will come in these plants, so that's why the rate is little bit high. So it costs 20 rupees each. That means I have paid 120 rupees for these 6 plants. And another thing is that these marigold cost me 10 rupees only, and I have paid 60 rupees regarding these 6 marigold plants. And hibiscus, 6 varieties of hibiscus, hybrid dwarf variety. It cost me one plant 90 rupees. That means I have paid 540 rupees for 6 plants. And now guys, the small saplings are of petunia, pansy, salvia, stock, impression, hollyhock, verbena, phlox, torenia and dog flower bush variety. All these are except salvia cost me 12 rupees each. Only salvia cost me 10 rupees. So guys, all these are the plants which I have bought. Friends, are you a food lover, plant lover or animal lover? If you are, then please go to the description box and there is something special for you. I have given some links in the description box regarding this, and I would like to request you that please click on that link and watch the video. And I assure you that by watching this, definitely you will be very happy. So why are you waiting for guys? Just go to the description box and click on the link given below. So guys, it's now time to ask about the video. If you like it, then please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button, share the link, and if you are watching on Facebook, then please follow me at there and give me a like also there. And this much for today guys. Very soon I will come again with a new video, and till then, bye bye.